Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been uploading very much, but I've been quite busy, but I did have some spare time, so I thought I would make a few videos and upload them here and there. Anyways, today's video is going to be about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. It's the packaging and the inside, so I'll be doing some swatches, a tutorial, and then just some of my final thoughts on this palette. So let's get started. I'm going to start by swatching the top row, which is the more cool tone shades. First we have Bali, Bybel, Mandala, and Libra. So there are the first four shades. Sorry my lighting isn't the best. Hopefully you can kind of see what these shades look like. Continuing on with that row, we have Jode, OA, and Boy. I don't know how to say that, but there are those three shades. Personally, I think Jode and OA are too similar to be in this palette together. Jode is definitely lighter and it has more of a metallic-y finish, and then OA is definitely more of a glitter and it's slightly darker. But personally I think they're a bit too similar to be in the same palette. Anyways, here's the first row of the cooler toned shades. Starting with the second row, which is more warmer toned shades. First one we have is Bear, then we have Moo, then we have Chai, and Cindy. Next we have Stev, Aura, and My Angels. These ones are definitely more bold colors. Now onto the tutorial portion of the video. I'm probably going to use more of the warmer tones for this tutorial, but I'll probably do another video with this palette also. So for this one, I'm going to start with the shade Cindy, which is like the peachy one. I'm going to put that in my crease. This one is super pigmented and it blends out really easily. Next, I'm going to take the shade Boy, whatever it is, I can't see it, and put that in the outer corner and lower crease. I like this shade because you can use it with both the cooler tones and the warmer tones. I'm going to take just a little bit more of Cindy and just kind of blend that over here and bring back some of that peachy color. Next, I'm going to take the shade Moo and put that all over the lid. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Boy. For the inner corner, I'll be taking the shade Bali. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. Here is the finished look. I do like how this turned out. I think that the shade Chai would look a little bit more natural, neutral colors. But I did want to try out that peachy shade a bit more, so that's why I chose that one. But yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to share a few of my final thoughts. So for the packaging, it's not my favorite. I don't really like these pearly things. I mean, this packaging is flat, but it just makes it seem cheap to me. And on the inside it is white, and that does get dirty pretty easily. I have had this palette for about 2 months, so that's part of the reason why it's dirty, but white just isn't my favorite for eyeshadow packaging because it gets dirty so easily. But I do like the formula of these shadows. It's good for beginners, I think, because there are a variety of finishes. You've got super bold metallic-y shades, then you've got some more subtle shades that you can use for like everyday wear. I like how there's cooler tones and warmer tones. I think that's a good layout. Like I said, the only thing that I would change would be these two shades because they are so similar. But the formula is good, and I think that people over criticize this palette because I do think it is really good. It is different from other ABH palettes, and yes, some of these shades are a bit more subtle and lighter, but I think that that's a good thing, especially for a beginner. So I really like this palette and I would recommend it. But that is going to be it for this video, so if you enjoyed it, I would really love it if you would subscribe. I don't upload as much as other YouTubers, but I do upload when I can, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!